guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. It's the first Sunday eye look of 2020, so I wanted to create something very special today. So I decided to create this defined cut crease with these ombre of shades, with the lighter shades in the inner corner melting into the deeper shades in the outer corner, giving you this elongated cat eye effect. And for this, I'm going to be using the new deck of Scarlet edition number 16, which was done in collaboration with an artist by the name of Vianney Streak. This comes with a beautiful palette and a glitter liner. I'm going to start by priming my lids with a concealer. I'm using the Milani concealer in 135. I'm mostly going to be using shimmers on my lid, and for the shimmers to stick, I want my lid to be tacky. For that reason, I'm not going to be setting the concealer with powder. I'm going to be using a sticky tape in the outer corner to get those dramatic straight edges. I'm also leaving a small gap in my lower lash line so I can join it with my top lash line, and there's that continuity. First, with the help of this black kohl liner from Deck of Scarlet, I'm going to carve out my outer corner, and I'm almost using the sticky tape as a stencil. I'm also going to fill the outer corner with the same eye pencil, and then I'm going to use it in the outer corner of my lower lash line where we created that gap. To clean up the edges, I'm using a fine artist brush. You can also use a liner brush or a definer brush to do this. And then I'm going to diffuse the edges of this black kohl liner with a small fluffy definer brush to make the blending easy and seamless with the eyeshadows that I'll be using on my lid. As you can see, we have a beautiful outer corner. Now I'm going to quickly clean up underneath my eyes with some concealer. Now I'm going to be using Haven in the inner third of my lid, and for this I'm using a flat shader brush, and as you can see, it's sticking on really well to my lid because, as I explained before, I did not set my lid with any powder. In the outer third, I'm going to be using Unwind. I'm going to first blend it with the kohl liner that I used to define the outer corner, and then I'm going to start slowly pushing the eyeshadow towards the center of the lid to blend it with Haven, which I used in the inner third of the lid. To balance my lower lash line with my lid, I'm going to be using the same eyeshadows. First, I'm using Unwind in the outer third, blending it with the kohl liner, and then I'm slowly starting to diffuse it towards the center of my lower lash line, blending it with Haven, which I will be using in the inner corner. I'm going to be using the black kohl liner to tightline my waterline. There's so many different ways in which you can use a glitter liner. You can use it as a regular liner, you can use it in your lower lash line, you can use it in the outer corner, you can use it to define your crease. Today I'm going to be using it in the outer third where the black kohl liner meets the grey eyeshadow, and then I'm going to diffuse it towards the center of the lid. Using Serenity, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. And then I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Real Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And for lashes, I'm using Drama from Deck of Scarlet. These are vegan lashes and they're very comfortable. And here's the completed look. Let me know what you guys think by commenting below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video. And you'll also find my social media links there. So make sure you're following me there for giveaways and more scoop and chit chat and whatnot. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now